Check back in with Chief Meteorologist Ashley Gann. Just going to be a messy weekend ahead. What about tonight?
Yeah,
More
not
rain?
bad. Really, it's not bad. We're kind of entering into an unsettled weather pattern. Not atypical for this time of year as we start to get closer to March and those warmer spring days. We start to get a few more of these kind of rotating days of rain. So we had the wet weather this morning. We'll clear out tonight. Friday, a brief break from the wet weather. So that's good. A nice way to round out the week. And then Saturday, although it might start out a bit dry, we will see afternoon showers with early morning flurries potentially Sunday, followed by warmer air next week, but on and off rain kind of morning, noon, and night, depending on the given day. Right now, look at the sunshine. It's beaming down there in Tuscaloosa, so it really kind of depends on where you are as to your sky conditions. Some of those clouds still holding, like in Anniston, as we saw earlier. 67 is our current temperature in T-Town. Same with Birmingham. We have 65 in Alabaster, but upper 50s from Clanton over towards Alex City. Cold fronts move through, but we do have a patch of some light rain right now, and it actually looks like a little flash of lightning just south of, or actually in Perry County. So a nice little line of rain from, say, Chilton County over through Lineville. Could be getting a couple of drops of rain, and that is because of a stalled boundary, and that's going to sit to our southeast, and it could produce some wet weather even overnight tonight and just a couple of showers for tomorrow. So we're going to be watching that very closely. For tonight, temperatures upper 30s to low 40s. Birmingham at 44 tonight. Tomorrow we're sitting in the low to mid 50s much of the day. Afternoon highs will be topping out in the lower 60s. Here's that wet weather though for tonight and into tomorrow. We're kind of seeing that on our radar currently. Again, stationary boundary. Most of that rain is going to stay along the 231 corridor over towards Alex City, down towards Wetumpka and Montgomery. The rest of us though, primarily dry overnight tonight and through the start of your day tomorrow. Now here's what happens though as we move from Friday into Saturday. This boundary lifts to the north. That will produce some early morning showers tomorrow from Alex City back through Clanton, and we could see those continuing to lift to the north through the start of your Saturday. So if you do have plans to attend the Mercedes Marathon, our final one here in the Magic City, temperatures in the morning in the mid 40s on Saturday. Not a whole lot of rainfall, but look at that. Rain chances increase dramatically as we head towards noon, and that's really our next big weather maker. So this stalled boundary to our south will give us a couple pulses of rain into Saturday morning and afternoon, and then look what happens. By Saturday afternoon and evening, that rain begins to lift to the north, and we could see some messy wet weather from noon to 8 p.m. across central Alabama, and a cold rain at that. Although temperatures during the day will be in the 50s and 60s, it's what happens overnight that changes the ball game a bit. By 9 o'clock Saturday night, we're at 40. Rain is still falling in the liquid state, but by the time we hit midnight to say 3 a.m., that colder air moves in, and see these blue patches developing on your futurecast? Well, that would indicate some changeover from possible rain to snow. Now, we could see a few flurries from Huntsville down to Gadsden and Anniston, and at 6 a.m. Sunday morning, temperatures a little colder at 37 in Birmingham. So that's when I think we could see our best chance of any type of white stuff falling from the sky. Overnight Saturday into Sunday, but we'll clear out quickly Sunday, warming up Monday, and then another round of wet weather Tuesday night into Wednesday. And that's a look at your Storm Team 7-day forecast.